Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. So I'm going to go over my debt progress update for January to show what we've paid off, what our differences, what we owe, that kind of thing. So Capital One, I have 0 on all of these. Kohl's is 140.73. Amazon is 413.10. Chase is 0. Discover is, did I say Discover? Yes, 813221. The bank card is 9823 and 91 cents. PayPal 0. Truck is 35558.66, and then my SUV is 1803172. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to total up these columns, this column here, and then I'm going to fast forward through that. So it should be 7210033. Okay, and so then I'm going to do the difference between the first column and the second column to show how much we've paid off. So
I paid that amount off. So if this column, or if this is bigger than this, it means that I paid off that amount. So if this column was, this amount was bigger than that, it'd be a plus, which means I added debt. So 35,954.21 minus.
okay, so now I'm going to total these up. I messed up. Okay, these are both minuses. Okay. So it looks like I paid off $3,749.78. So let's see if this comes out correctly. 75850 minus 72100.33. 3749.78. Yay! Okay. And my original balance. Let me see if I have that. Hang on one moment.